story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, what's my froze? It's me, Gina, and in this video I have gotten by the Main Choice. They recently dropped a new line, and I'm gonna be honest, the only reason why I wanted to try these products was because of the name. Other than that, there's really no other reason why I wanted to try the products. They're really good at marketing. That's what caught my eye. So that was my only reason for wanting to try this line. I didn't even really look at what the products were. I just was like, oh, I really like that name. It's getting close to Halloween, you know, magic. So that's why I purchased these products. But we're going to do a washing style. I have all of their products from this collection. So the collection comes with a 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner. It comes with a Miracle Mud Mask, deep conditioner, and I am appreciating the Main Choice getting into making their deep conditioners 12 ounces. I'm hoping that this is a forever thing. I also have their leave-in, which is a shake activator, the Kazam Popping Curls, which is like a gel, which is definitely Main Choice always makes gels, but typically they are in a jar. And then I also purchased their Spike It Power Drip, which is really just an oil. So I'm going to be using all these products, and I did something different with my hair. We're doing a flexi rod in this video. I just want to test out more flexi rod sets with gels to see if I can get the hold to make them last longer. But, you know, I'm feeling like I'm a moose person. So, yeah. Not going to ramble on too long. If you have not joined our SmartFro family, make sure you hit our subscription button as well as the notification button so you don't miss out on any new uploads. And let's get into this washing style. The first product I'm going to go in with is the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. And it's supposed to cleanse and condition at the same time. Micro suds for a low lather proof. Antioxidants would help hair to feel stronger and protected. It's supposed to be ideal for compromised hair. One thing that I was thoroughly shocked about this is I was expecting this to be like a true co-wash conditioner. Anytime I see products that say 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner, in my mind, I just put it on a shelf of co-wash conditioners. But I will say that this product was very, very surprising. It lathers and it's thick like a conditioner. It lathers up nice and creamy. It suds up like a shampoo. And when I rinsed this product out, my hair felt cleansed. I'm not going to say my hair felt stripped like I like or clarified, but it definitely felt like I did cleanse my hair. So I'm not going to sit here and say that this was a super clarifying product, and I'm not going to sit here and say that it is also a co-washing product. I feel like it falls right in the middle. Felt very moisturizing when I was applying it to my hair. I felt like I could kind of finger detangle with my hair, and then when I rinsed it out, my scalp felt cleansed, my strands felt cleansed, and I felt comfortable going in with a deep conditioner. So the next product I'm going to go in with is the Must Be Magic Miracle Mud Mask. It's supposed to improve the appearance of damaged hair. I'm going to get this clay name wrong, so just bear with me. It contains mineral-rich choline, a clay that gently removes impurities from scalp and hair, reduces visible signs of dryness, boosts moisture into hair, and antioxidants which help hair feel stronger and protected. Like I said, I really like this deep conditioner. I like that it's 12 ounces. This deep conditioner is super thick. This probably is the thickest deep conditioner from the Main Choice I've ever seen, tried. It's super thick, and because it was super thick, I was expecting it not to apply well, but it actually gave me a lot of slip. I was thoroughly impressed. I did go in with their Spike It Power Drip just to see how it would affect my hair. So on one half of my hair, I just went in with the mask, and then in the other half of my hair, I I think it says like 20 drops of the Spike It oil, and I mixed it and applied it to the other half of my hair to see if there was any of a difference. Honestly, I didn't notice any of the difference. I really like the mask. I thought the mask was fine how it is. Like I said, I didn't notice a difference on each side of my hair, so I can't really tell you that. Maybe it's something that you have to use like consistently to see, but I did
really enjoy this mask. I felt like my hair was moisturized, and honestly, this was the product that I got the most moisture from out of all this line. And I feel like because this line isn't really geared toward moisture, it's geared towards strength, that, you know, you definitely need that one product that just really is going to seal in moisture, especially if you have low porosity hair like me. Well, medium to low porosity hair like me, you're going to really want that moisture into your hair. I'm going to do flexi rods, and I'm going to be honest, guys, I hate it. Absolutely hate it. The Knots and Tangles Shake to Activate Correcting Concealer Spray. I didn't use this. I sprayed it on the front part of my hair for the braid, and then as I was getting ready to start the back of my hair, actually doing the perm rods, it didn't feel good. It was very reminiscent of the Uncle Funky's Daughter's Midnight Train spray. I didn't like the feeling, how it felt on my hair. It felt hard. I felt like I couldn't detangle my hair, and I sprayed it on that one section, and I applied it into my hair, and I was just like, I can't do my whole head like this. And so I went in with the Tropical Moringa leave-in conditioner. I used that to give me some moisture, just because I couldn't use the leave. So I did that, and I went in with their adjustable holding gel. This gel is is alcohol-free liquid gel, provides magic definition and customized hold with more or less water, recommended for wash and goes, twist outs, and braid outs. Antioxidants help for feeling stronger and protected. I will suggest to definitely start off with more water versus less water, because I think this is definitely a learning curve gel, and it pretty much tells you it is, just because you have to, like, if you want more hold, you use less water. If you want less hold, you use more water. But I felt like because I didn't use enough water, I felt like I created a lot of flaking. So next time I use this product, I would just, instead of going in with more product, I will go in with a spray bottle and just use that. I really wanted hold on these flexi rods, but I feel like this gel is strong enough that I would have got hold without using a lot of this gel. And I think it would have definitely helped in the moisture area as well, because a gel, I feel like this is a gel. It's going to act like a gel. A gel to me isn't meant to give you moisture. And so this definitely gave me the definition and the hold that I was looking for. But you're definitely going to want to layer it with something more moisturizing, and you're definitely going to want to kind of build the gel, find out what hold you like.
Okay, so this is my final results, and I mean, the definition that I'm getting is really, really good, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting flakage, and I think this gel states that, you're supposed to add more water for adjustable hold, and for the good portion of my hair, I only went in with this gel, and I would suggest first time using this, don't do that. Use water, add the gel, and kind of just work it with the gel. I feel like I used too much of this, and I should have watered it down with the gel. And that's because this part, I remember going up to the top of my head, my hair started to dry out, so I sprayed it with some water, and I feel like I'm not getting flakage on that side. Now, my only con is I'm not getting that much moisture in this product. In these products, this gel is super gel, like super jelly. So people who like gels will like this. It's not going to let me do a wash and go. It did define my curls and stuff, don't get me wrong, but I wouldn't try to do a wash and go. But I do think this is great hold for like perm rods and stuff like that. However, because it's a gel, like, I don't like this liquid spray whatsoever. My only con about this line is it's not that moisturizing. I would prefer, I feel like the deep conditioner was moisturizing, but the styling products wasn't that moisturized. Like, I feel like I would like to use the deep conditioner and that shampoo / co-wash pretty much with like other products from their line, and then just kind of work with this to figure out what's the right amount of this gel to use with this. But I did go in with the Main Choice Tropical Moringa leave-in, and that definitely gave me a little bit more moisture. But I should have went in with their sealing cream, because I feel like the sealing cream from the Tropical Moringa is a better leave-in for me when it comes to moisture. than the actual leave-in. The leave-in is still good, but the sealing cream is like bang. And you're definitely going to want to layer this gel with more moisturizing products. If you like creams and butters and stuff, I would suggest using a cream and a butter and then going in with this gel so that you can get that moisture. But other than that, I think you can get a great style with this. Like I said, I'm liking the hold, and I think it's just going to be me finding how to work with this gel. Overall, my favorite products from this line will definitely be the mud mask and that shampoo for a co-wash. I was thoroughly surprised about that shampoo, but I do like this gel. It's just going to take some time to get used to, and I don't know if I like, you know, when you have products that you know how to work, like their pearly glaze and an ancient Egyptian gel, so you just like, do I really feel like taking the time? That's how I feel about this gel. It works, it's great, but it's not better than those other two. So yeah, that is my review on the Just Be Magic line. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I will link some other Mane Choice. I recently tried their Pile collection. I will link that right there. And then I also have their Ancient Egyptian review. I actually have a playlist of Mane Choice products, so I will link that so you guys can check that out as well. And I will see you guys in my next video.